I've started a new video channel, and the name of my channel is Explore in Time. I'm doing this first video. It'll probably be a short. I don't have that much to talk about what's going to be going on in my channel. And what I'll basically be doing with this channel is gardening a little bit and the different things that I do in my garden. And by saying that, we've seen videos on YouTube. I'll probably be doing some of the same things if or not you're familiar with them. There's always something we can learn from one another. And I think I've decided to come on board and YouTube, blur, blur, blur. This is what these videos do. I guess a lot of people have problems with them. That's what they do, the editing when they do them. But back to what I was trying to convey about my channel is it's what I'll be doing around in my yard and gardening, and pretty much what I'll be actually still learning from other tubers, getting information, and pretty much what I'll be viewing. There is a remote chance that you won't be. So I'll pass on the new information that I have or discovered from other tubers or even my original stuff and pass it on to you guys. But that's basically what I'll be doing pretty much. And this everyday task around my home and getting out and just kind of like being an inspiration for other people that's around my age. Sharing different ideas. And I can't explain it all what I'll be doing exactly all the time because each day bring on a new adventure when you're recording these videos, I believe. And I'm taking an interest to pretty much come out and show people what I'll be doing. If you guys get a chance to look at this video right now and me explaining pretty much what, or giving a description of what I'll be doing and the likeness of it, that as each video that I upload to this channel, well, I'm pretty sure to be longer than this one. But just to give an introduction about who I am and my channel and what it's about, I decided that I would do that today. So I would be in the algorithm, I guess, as far as videos go, to get me started and get some likes and subscriptions from everyone that's getting a chance and opportunity to view the video. So for right now, that's pretty much all I can think of, other than I can go and show part of what I'm doing, or the area I'll be working in pretty much all of the time. But we'll do that on the next video, just to get you familiar about what you'll be viewing and where I'm at. I'm in South Carolina. I won't give the city that I'm living in, but I'm living in South Carolina. I'll just say that much. Thanks, guys, for taking a moment to look this video, if you can possibly, if you think about it, if you like what you heard so far, if you like my beautiful, pretty face, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Till the next time. Bye.